Retest review, test 4 radicals, questions 8 and 9. For 8, we are subtracting 2 radicals. Now, in order to subtract 2 radicals, they must be the same. So if you look here, we have the square root of 3 and the square root of 45. Those are not the same as they are. So what we want to do is see if we can simplify the 2 radicals first and then see if they become the same. Now 3 is a prime number, you can't do anything with it, so we'll go to the 45 and we'll break it down. 45 is 9 times 5 and 9 is 3 times 3. So we'd have 5 square root of 3 minus, and then the square root of 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. For a square root, you need 2 of the same number. 3 would drop out and the 5 would stay home. And if you look at the radicals now, we have the square root of 3 and the square root of 5. Those are not the same values, so we can't really subtract them, so this would be my simplified form. Question number 9, we are going to add 5 square roots of 8 plus 6 square root of 18. Now again, these radicals are not the same, so we want to go through and try to simplify them. Let's start with the 8 first. That'd be 4 times 2, and 4 is 2 times 2. So I have 5 times the square root of 2 times 2 times 2. In order for a number to leave a square root, there must be 2 of the same. There's 2 2's. So 5 is outside, 2 will come outside, and then we'll have a 2 that stays home. And 5 times 2 is 10 square roots of 2. So 5 square root of 8 simplifies to 10 square root of 2. And that's going to be added to 6 square root of 18. So let's simplify this. 18 is 9 and 2. And 9 is 3 times 3. So we have a 6 outside, and then we have a 3 and a 3 and a 2 inside. On a square root, you have to have 2 of the same number for it to leave. There are 2 3's, so 3 is going to leave. And we will have a 2 that stays home. 6 times 3 is 18. Square roots of 2. Now if you look at this, the radicals are now the same, square root of 2 and square root of 2. So what we do is we add the numbers on the outside. 10 plus 18 gives us 28, and then the radical stays the same. And you'll get 28 square roots of 2 as your final answer.